Hey guys, I come to you on this humid day with something really cool. That's a very poor way of showing it. One moment. Parents had got a big old air hockey table for Arnak on his birthday. Well, it's before his birthday, but it's already delivered, so I'm building it now. And I'm gonna build it. It's a surprise to Arnak. He has not seen it yet. He almost saw it yesterday because I hid it in the garage. And he's like, "Oh, I need to go to the garage to grab some." I'm like, "No, you don't. I'll go get it for you. Don't go in there." So that's why I'm building it outside as opposed to building it in their room, because I don't want them to see it. I don't want to be halfway done and they come see it and be like, "Oh my God, wow, wow, wow." And I'm like, well, okay, well, I'm happy, I guess. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start this up. I think it'll be done soon because it's a hockey table. It's mostly electrical stuff. I don't assume that it's going to force me to build it. So let's get going. So as I was building this, I was just remembering stuff where I'm comically bad at air hockey. Like, I'm actually terrible at it. Arnak isn't though. Arnak loves playing this stuff, like these kinds of hockey related games. Good at them. I'm horrible. I'm able to hit the thing hard. I just can't track it or whatever. Arnak's gonna love it though. This is a proper machine too. Like, it has the big wind fan in it. Let me get a quick thing of it. Like, that's what makes air hockey. It's the thing that forces the air up that causes the puck to hover. So let's finish this up. It looks like it's mostly assembled. I think I just have to put legs on, which is great for me. So I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna sneak it into their room secretly and then call them down. This thing is so cool. If you look carefully, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but it looks like it's actual ice. It's like the design of the whole thing to make it look like an actual ice rink. It's really cool. So yeah, this looks incredibly simple. It's just slap the leg. There's instructions that come with it, and I'm just like, why would you need instructions for this? It's put legs in, be done. That's what the instructions are. So get this done, show the kids. I think they'll be really excited. Whew. It's very humid, but a nice cold breeze just hit, so I'm feeling good. Finished putting the legs on. Pretty simple. You know, I mean, it's 2 screws here, 1 screw there, and you're done. Now I just got to attach the important parts. The score, and the thing that I'm almost certain going to get very annoyed at and hate, the buzzer. I'm guessing this thing makes noise because there's batteries in the back. Yep. So I'm ready to hear buzz, 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 buzz several times a minute throughout the day. But it's fine. So let's finish this up because I want to go inside the air-conditioned house. I figure I'd do this first. This isn't the right battery size. These aren't... Oh, it needs AAA batteries. Give me a moment. Let me go get AAAs. All right, I got the right batteries now. So, pop, pop. Turn on. Okay. Reset. Oh. Doesn't look like it makes noise. Just lights up. Cool. That's actually beneficial for me. There we go. Table's standing up, and I put in the paneling. All I gotta do now is tighten up these and plug these into this. And then we're ready. Then I'm ready to call the kids and show them how this works. So let's get to it. All right. It is all put together. Let me switch the camera angle real quick. There it is. Little clock, pucks and everything. Don't need that. But yeah, just got to take this down to the kids' room, set it up, and then call them down. It's a little shorter than I imagined. It's a lot shorter than I imagined. Like, it comes up to my waist. It comes up to about below my waist, which I'm only like 5'5". I'm not very tall. So it's a pretty short thing. So the kids are also short though. So hopefully this will go good. Just got to take it down there. I'll show you. I will see you guys in a minute. All right. Arnak, Beck, you guys ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Do you guys hear that?
Yeah.
What do you think that is?
Air conditioner.
Air conditioner?
Vacuum cleaner. Air conditioner.
Vacuum cleaner. Okay. Well, you're both wrong. Close your eyes. Go. All right, guys, come in. Open your eyes.
Air hockey.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
What about Dad?
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Papa. And everyone.
And everyone? Okay. Well, you guys enjoy that.
Here you go.
Whoa. All right, well, that should keep them entertained for multiple days. But there we go. Built them their air hockey table, showed them it, and they played. So, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, do svidaniya.